guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another DIY at home lash cluster tutorial because I know there is a lot of girls that are tired of spending hundreds of dollars on lashes that don't even last that long because of them not being attached right, or because you're allergic to the certain glue that they use at the salons, and it takes time. It can take hours and it just all adds up. Time is money. I decided to try these new lash clusters from VEYESBEAUTY. And this is the VB Newbies 5-second lash clusters. With this style that I'm showing you guys, it's called VB Muse. Look at the pattern on them. You can be 100% a beginner and you will not mess up. And these lashes are so pretty. I have never done a style like this on my channel, and towards the end of this video we are going to be testing out if these lashes are actually waterproof, and I'm going to show you guys how you can take them off without damaging your natural lashes. These are my natural eyelashes. They are very short and thin. These are the lash clusters that I'm going to be using in this tutorial. It's from VEYESBEAUTY, and this is their VB Muse eyelash extensions kit. First of all, I love the style and I just love how fluffy they are. The kit comes with a eyelash applicator, a 2-in-1 bond and seal, and a lash remover, which I'll show you guys how to remove them properly towards the end of the video. You're also going to be needing a lash curler, a mini lash curler, a lash comb, and a lash spoolie. The lash extension kit and everything that I'll be using in this video will be linked below. First, I have to curl my lashes because if I do skip this step, then it'll be hard for me to apply the lashes, and I do have to apply the lashes underneath my natural lashes. Next, I'm going to be applying the lash bond, which is the lash adhesive, onto my lashes. I'm making sure to apply enough because if I don't apply enough, the lash clusters will not stick properly, which means that they will not last long. I always start at the end of my lashes, then move towards the front. It's easier that way to figure out what type of style you want. For these lash clusters to be 3D layered, they are still sturdy and stable. They do not fall apart. I'm also going to be adding the lash bond onto the lash band, just waiting for the glue to get tacky, and this is gonna help for the lashes to last longer too. Once I notice that the lashes are attached, then I just squeeze them together. Next, I'm going in with 12 mm, and this is just a shorter length. I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing, applying the lash bond onto the lash band, wait about 10 seconds, apply, squeeze, and I'm just repeating the exact same steps, and I am going in with number 12 again. I will talk more in detail about these lashes once I'm done with the first eye, but one thing I will say right now is that the volume on these lashes are no joke. Like, these are so pretty and they're not too thick either, and they're not heavy on my eyes. The lash band is thin, so it'll blend in with your natural lashes. The last lash that I'm going to be putting on is 10, and all I needed was 4 lash clusters. This is how it looks underneath with the lashes. Don't apply it all the way up because it can make your lashes look hard and not fluffy. These are how my eyes look with the lashes and without the lashes. The VB Muse style just makes my eyes look more awake and lifted. Now we're on to the next eye, and we're just going to be doing the exact same steps that I shown you in the beginning of the video. Curling our lashes, applying the lash bond, waiting 30 seconds, grabbing the lash cluster, applying the lash bond onto the lash cluster, waiting 10 seconds, and then applying the lash cluster. It's literally so quick, so easy, very simple to do, and you can do multiple different designs that you want, but the one that I'm showing you guys in the video is personally my favorite design. It's like like a cat eye and doll eye look mixed together, and I feel like it matches perfectly with my eye shape. You can wear these lashes with makeup or with no makeup. You can still get a natural look with them. They're fluffy and have a lot of volume. They're soft and lightweight, and you can reuse these. These will last you for about 7 days when you wear them, and when it's time to take them off, you can just clean them up and they will still look brand new. What I love about these specific lashes too is that you do not need a lot of lash clusters. You only need about 4 or 6 pieces. For my eye shape and size, all I needed was 4 lash clusters. The kit comes with a lot of lash clusters, so the kit is gonna last you for a really long time. If you're seriously in a rush, then I recommend you guys using a handheld fan to dry your lashes faster. These are how the lashes look, and I just love how they look so professionally done, and I just did that at home and they just look so good and perfect, and I'm just so happy that I'm able to save so much money. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how these lashes are 100%, 1000% waterproof. I just removed my makeup, I'm washing my face, and I'm just gonna rinse off all the soap that I have on my face and just show you guys that these lashes are going to last and stick. These are not going to come off. Look at that. Pulling, tugging, everything like that. No lifting, nothing at all. I'm going to be taking these lashes off using the lash remover that came with the kit, and I love this stuff. It works really well. It has a oily texture, it's fast removing, and it has a gentle formula to where it doesn't irritate my eyes. I did apply the lash remover onto a cotton pad so it could be easier for me to remove them. It does take about 30 seconds for the glue to start dissolving, but as you can see, it's super easy to remove. It doesn't bother my lashes. I don't have to pull them. It just slides right off. If I have leftover glue on my lashes, I just do those exact same steps all over again just to make sure that there is absolutely no glue. With the lash remover being super gentle, it just shows that I can actually reuse these lashes because the pattern or the design on the lashes is not being damaged. I love these lash clusters so much. You can cry in them, swim in them, shower with them, wash your face with them, and they will not fall off. That is all for this tutorial on how you can put on these lashes with this exact style, and these lashes will be linked in my description box and on my Amazon storefront. They really make your eyes look extra awake. I want to thank Veyes Beauty again for sponsoring today's video, and everything that I said in this video is my honest opinion. Like this video, comment down below what you guys think about these lashes. Have you guys ever tried out this brand? And just let me know in general what your favorite lash cluster brand is. Do you guys prefer strip lashes or lash clusters, or you just prefer getting them done at a salon? Subscribe to join the harmony, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.